Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I mean, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern. I still think we're at a wave three, and I still think this wave three may go up and take out this high before we actually make a bigger correction for the wave four, which would probably be around the same size in time as the wave two, and probably another push up for the wave five. So let's keep that in mind as we go down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, we are back up at these previous highs, but I still, especially looking at all correlated yen pairs, still am very bullish. I still think that this move down is just a correction, probably just because we're back up at the previous highs. There's a big support area right there, or resistance. But either way, I am definitely still looking for longs and an uptrend. Going down to the daily, I actually think this is the end of like a big ABC right here because I would definitely call this five waves. This move up is kind of a five-way pattern also, but it's probably more likely supposed to be a correction like a wave B, or this right here I think is actually the count A, B, C. And then if you look at all yen pairs, I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So I think that is an ABC correction. I think this is impulsive up. I think this is corrective down. And I think that it is going to keep on trending up on these higher time frames, making those higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. We do have a nice little break of structure, a couple of them actually. So I would definitely be looking at this move down as most likely a correction to this move up. I would definitely be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a big bullish engulfing move to the upside. And if I see that, that is going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can kind of break this down a little bit. Most likely, we are in like a wave C right now. So I would definitely, like I said, I'd be looking to see how price reacts to these Fibonacci levels. We don't really know which one it's going to stop at. I actually think the 50 is probably the most likely just because of all the support and resistance that we have in the past right there. So I would definitely, if you're a scalper, I would be looking for shorts still. But I do think that this is going to be an ABC correction. I think the 50% is a likely area to see the end of this ABC correction and most likely the continuation of the uptrend. So if you're more like a day trader slash swing trader, then I would definitely be waiting for the ABC. I'd be waiting for the Fibonacci bounce, the big impulsive and bullish move to the upside. And if you can get a break of structure, that's going to be even more helpful to help prove that that's the end of an ABC correction and the continuation of the uptrend, which would make for a very nice entry to go long. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.